This 14-minute Tai Chi workout helps you burn belly fat, support healthy cholesterol, and improve balance at home. Gentle, no jumping, just simple, controlled movements that help you feel lighter, more balanced, and refreshed. Follow along at your own pace. Take a deep breath and let's get moving. Exercise 1. Rising Energy Flow. 3, 2, 1, start. Step forward gently as your arms float upward toward the sky. Keep the movement light and continuous, encouraging full body circulation while easing your body into this low-impact practice. Exercise 2. Rising Horse Stance. 3, 2, 1, go. Rise smoothly from the wide squat as your arms float upward and open. Let your legs and core work together, supporting gentle calorie burning and belly fat reduction without jumping. Next exercise, Crossstep Side Reach. 3, 2, 1, begin. Cross one foot gently as your arms sweep overhead and outward. Let your waist turn naturally with the reach, engaging the midsection while building balance and coordination. Exercise 4. Side Lunge Palm Reach. 3, 2, 1, join me. Shift smoothly into a side lunge as one palm rises and extends outward. Feel the legs and hips working gently while keeping your weight controlled and steady. Exercise 5. Side body arc. 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Sweep one arm overhead as the opposite arm extends outward, creating a gentle arc through your side body. Keep both feet grounded and let the waist lengthen without forcing the stretch. Exercise 6. Expanding chest flow. 3, 2, 1, follow along. Open your arms gradually as you widen your stance, letting the chest expand without tension. Keep the movement flowing and comfortable to encourage circulation and gentle whole body activity. Next exercise. Rising lotus flow. 3, 2, 1, move with me. Rise smoothly from the low stance as your arms open upward and outward. Let the legs do the work gently, supporting calorie burning and healthy circulation without high-impact movement. Exercise 8. Flowing arm release. 3, 2, 1, go. Sweep your arms down from overhead and let them travel softly behind you. Keep your chest open and shoulders loose, allowing the upper body to relax through each flowing repetition. Exercise 9. Gentle power squat. 3, 2, 1, begin. Sink gently through your hips and knees as your arms press forward with control. This low-impact movement engages the legs and core, supporting calorie burning without jumping or strain. Exercise 10. Overhead balance rise. 3, 2, 1, join me. Reach tall through your arms as you gently rise onto your toes, keeping the motion smooth and controlled. Stay centered through your core to strengthen balance and body awareness. Next exercise. Full body relaxation. Let your arms and body move freely with soft, easy motions as your breathing settles. Release any remaining tension and allow your whole body to feel calm, loose, and refreshed. Great job completing today's session. If you enjoyed this flow and want to keep supporting your health, please subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell. Leave a comment below letting me know how you feel after today's practice. See you in the next session. Stay healthy and relaxed.